Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how you should be doing your keyword research in 2023, 2024, and beyond. This will help you rank blog posts faster and YouTube video faster. And the technique that I'm about to show you guys, a lot of the gurus don't show you. Like, I don't see a lot of people talking about this. There's a few out there. I've been known this for years now. And that's how I was kind of successful, especially back when I used to sell chicken coops when I first jumped in, and I was able to target a few keywords and build a website around the product, and actually did like 200,000 in sales before I even sold my first website. But anyways, so let's get to it. So what you want to do, guys, is, and everything I'm about to show you is free, so you ain't got to worry about buying nothing or downloading any software or anything. That's the great thing. Do me a favor, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this and content like this. But let's go. So what you want to do is you're going to want to actually get this free keyword tool. It is called, what is it? Keyword Sheeter. Sheeter. Okay. Shitter. Keyword Shitter. You can go to keywordshitter.com. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can download this free tool. But what you want to do here is you want to have this and Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is free. You should already have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, get yourself a Google account. Once you do that, you'll go to the Google Ads, and then you'll go up to here to tools and settings, and you'll go to Keyword Planner, and you'll want to get to this screen right here. So first, you're going to want to kind of find a keyword, like especially if you're doing like, if you're going to try to promote a product or something, you want to kind of think about what people are searching for when you guys are want to target. Okay, so because you want to find the right targeted audience to even come back and even buy your product or whatever it is you're promoting or selling. Okay, so what I like to do is just put a keyword in here in the keyword sheeter. So I got one already that I thought of, how to do keyword research for SEO, and then we're going to hit this button and we're going to watch this fill up with a whole bunch of suggestions that other people are actually typing in. And I might have to refresh this whole website, which I think I will, because it's doing something crazy here. It's let me go ahead and we'll go ahead and refresh this website totally here. All right, so let's go ahead and hit the button. So here we go. It's going to start populating. And as you can see, it's going to sit here and run. It's going to find a whole bunch of keywords that people are actually typing in. And these are long tail keywords that you guys can target. Like, it's always great to have a website so you guys can do your own blog posts, and you can use these and create articles around some of these keywords and actually start getting traffic, real simple traffic, and ranking real quick within like a day or two or even a week. In Google, so you guys can get free traffic. It's really a real simple method. So what you're going to do after this populates, it'll take a minute, and I mean, on some keywords you're going to get hundreds of keywords. Sometimes it takes longer than other, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to grab a few of them just to show you what you do when you take it into the Google Keyword Planner, because you want to see how much traffic it's getting. And then we're going to take it to Google itself into the search bar, and we're going to put some little icons or quotation marks behind it to see exactly the search results of what we're dealing with the keyword, to see if we're going to be able to rank. And I'm going to show you when we find the golden nugget ones, you can rank real super easy for some of this stuff. All right, so we got about 47 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop so this video doesn't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and copy all these keywords in here, so you can let that run and get hundreds of keyword ideas. And these are actually keywords that people are actually typing into Google every month. Okay, so this is a great tool. It's called Keyword Sheeter. I will leave the link in the description. It's a free tool. You just go there. I bookmark it just like I do. I have it bookmarked up here so I can go ahead and do research. Okay, so next we're going to take it over to the Google Keyword Planner, and we're going to hit get search volume and forecast. So what we want to do is paste all these keywords in here. We're going to hit the get started button, and what it's going to do is bring up and show you exactly how much each keyword, the traffic it gets every month. Okay, so free SEO tools for keyword research. You know, it's almost getting a 1,000 hits a month. So that right there would be something you can probably rank easy for. But what we want to look for is see something that's going to be real hard to rank for kind of is SEO keyword research. That gets a lot of traffic, but it's going to be hard. It's probably going to be pretty hard to rank for that keyword. So I'm going to look for a longer, you know, you want to find the gems out of the keywords that you're given. So SEO tools for keyword research, probably SEO step-by-step guide for beginners. That might be a good one. Where can I find keywords for SEO for free? Okay, so right here, this, I guarantee you, is going to be easy to rank for, and it's getting almost 100 searches a month. You can rank right at the top and get all that little traffic, but this is going to be real targeted traffic, okay? And then you can offer, you know, show them a tutorial and then offer them a PDF file or anything, whatever you want to do to, you know, you can capture a lead and give them a PDF explaining to them how they can actually do this. But so what I want to do is now take this keyword over to Google itself, and we're going to actually put this keyword in the search, and we're going to put these little quotation marks, I believe they are, around just like that, guys. We're going to put those in there, and then we're going to hit search. Okay, so look right here, it's only 627 results, guys, with that exact keyword in it. So you can rank real easy for something this low. I recommend staying underneath 1,000 if you want to rank fast. Okay, so when you do your keyword research, you need to do this and check out the actual results. Okay, and when this number is real low, like you could find nuggets with where they're only like 7 results or 3 results or 0 results, or when you find them like that, you're going to rank super fast overnight. Okay, because there's not many out there. And what you need to do is create like an article or a blog post around these keywords and basically take it to ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, then you're super late right now. It's AI. AI is taking over everything. So you take it to ChatGPT and ask them to write you a unique, 100% unique article around that certain keyword. And then what you basically do is you create an image in Canva. Canva.com is real super easy to create images for your website and your blog. So you create an image and then you add that keyword as the title of your image and the file of your image, and you're going to upload that to your website with the keyword focused article that you get from ChatGPT, and you will be ranking. Okay, as long as you I mean, there's a little bit more steps, because like when you get to ChatGPT, you got to make sure that it's giving you a 100% unique article, and you want to make sure you have all your H1 tags and your H2 tags in proper place. I go a lot more into depth about how to do SEO and how to get websites to rank. I do own a digital marketing agency, and on the back end, I have actually a marketing group on the back end that you can join, and I dive into a lot of stuff on how to make money online. If you are interested in making money online and learning how to go in depth with SEO, I got a lot of tutorials where I go in depth, especially I use WordPress a lot. So if you don't know what WordPress is, I have WordPress training as well on there. I create awesome websites with WordPress, and I use them to basically run my businesses and collect money online. So basically, so let's go look at another keyword real quick. So let me give you another example. Let's check out, I probably should have got more. You really want to throw about like 500 keywords in there at one time. That way you got a whole bunch to look through. Let's see, free SEO tools for keyword research right here. This might be, or about best tools for SEO keyword research. Let's see what that is actually getting in Google right now. We'll take that back up there. We'll leave those. I believe those are quotation marks. I could be wrong. I forget, but those little thingies right there. We're going to put that back in there, and we're going to see the search results on this one. So this one has 7,000. I mean, you can still rank for this, but you're really going to have to go get backlinks. You'll have to create real good backlinks, and in time, you can easily rank for this. Personally, I wouldn't go over 10,000 when it comes to this, but I like to go for the low hanging fruits. You know what I'm saying? So the lower this number, the better your chances are ranking. But this right here, 7,000 results, you can easily rank for that. You just got to create a nice article with images and maybe even a video, and then get you some great backlinks, some real good backlinks from, like, I wouldn't really recommend Fiverr on too many of them. There are some good SEO guys on Fiverr, Upwork and all that, but I actually, through my digital marketing agency, you guys can get awesome results actually. So just by using my services, I'm going to leave a link in the description to marketer.net. If you guys are interested in, you know, getting your blog post to rank and you want to use my service, you're more than welcome to. But I also have a marketing group on the back end of this website where you can join, and I'm live all the time in the community over there. So I share a lot of good stuff. You get a ton of stuff just by joining my website. You get access to like 20,000 PLR digital marketing products that with resale rights, so you guys can actually use them and brand them in a way and use them for yourself and for your company or your business. What else you get? You get a lot of stuff over there. Like, you get access to the back office where you can actually earn commissions off of bringing in local businesses. So you basically become affiliate with my platform, and there's multiple ways to earn money with marketers. So if you're into making money online or into digital marketing, or, you know, need free training tutorials, I recommend clicking the link. Come checking me out at marketer.net. And yeah, I'll see you over there. Okay. But back to this keyword research. That's basically how you guys want to do it. And you want to find the golden keywords. Okay. And you'll search through these and you'll basically build content around it. So the longer the better, because like this one right here, how to research keywords for your SEO strategy. This right here might be a low one. So you want to look for keywords just like this and take them over to Google and do this. And like I said, the lower the better, and you're going to rank. And even if it's a low number, as you can see on the Google ads, it's only 10 to 100 searches a month. But with AI now, guys, you guys can go over there and easily create a unique article and create content so super quick. And I go into more depth inside my marketer group. So click that link if you guys are interested in seeing how I use AI and how I do all my marketing. Join me inside my group. I go through a bunch of stuff inside there. I share a lot of information and tricks and tips and money making methods. So hit that link. But I also let's see. Yeah, so we're going to take that over here, and yeah, we're going to hit the enter button on that. So this one's about 4,700 results. You can still rank for these guys. Like I said, I wouldn't go past 10,000 really. I try to stay under 1,000, and the lower ones are the better ones, but all this you can easily rank for when they're just this low. I'm trying to find a good one that has like real low results. So I might not be able to find one that low within this niche right here. Where can I find keywords for SEO for free? I thought that one was going to be a good one. SEO step-by-step guide for beginners. Yeah, it might be SEO keyword research. And you want to make sure there's some traffic coming to these. But the thing is that if you have a website and you create, you know, multiple blog posts that are ranking for these real simple keywords, you're going to eventually build up traffic and accumulate traffic. And that's what you want to do. The more traffic you get, the more offers you can put in front of people's faces, and the more chances you have to make a sale or earn money from whatever it is you're trying to promote. Right here, this is a super long keyword right here. Let's try this one. How to do keyword research for SEO, a beginner's guide. All right, this is getting searches on Google, so if we can get at the top, we can get most of those searches or most of those clicks. All right, so let's check that out, see what happens. Okay, this one's 8,000 results. Okay, it don't look like I'm gonna be able to find a golden nugget, but still, like I said, you can easily rank for these by just doing the SEO properly and getting you some backlinks. And you want to get good quality backlinks, not a whole bunch of backlinks. You don't want to get thousands and thousands of backlinks. You want to get the best quality backlinks you can get, because less is better when it's of great quality. Okay, just remember that when you're getting backlinks, and you'll be able to rank. Okay, I hope this has helped you guys out a little bit. This is how I do my keyword research when I am looking, and then I go through here and I just keep looking. And sometimes, guys, you can find like these smaller ones with traffic that might not have that many results, might have 8,000 or 7,000 exact results, and those keywords you can rank for. So I would definitely go for it and then invest a little money into creating backlinks for your blog post or however you're planning on doing it. If it's a YouTube video, then you definitely want to get some social shares and get some YouTube embeds and stuff like that. But like I said, this is just a simple keyword research tutorial for 2023, 2024. This is how a lot of people do it, and a lot of people aren't discussing this way, but I hope this has helped you guys out. Go ahead and hit the links, hit the like, and I would love to see you over in my marketing group over at marketer.net. So peace.